Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. So I was looking at my channel the other day and I was like, you know what, I have not done one of those little what I eat videos in a few weeks. Now today would be a good day to film this video because I'm also going to be going to the grocery store so I can show you guys what I typically pick up there. I think I'm going to make some protein balls because I just ran out the other day. And then also for dinner tonight, I am going over to Brady's. You guys know him, he's one of my close friends. He actually just moved into my neighborhood, so I'm so excited. He's my neighbor now. But I'm going to go over there and I'm making dinner for his roommate, him and myself, so that will be fun to show you guys as well. I am definitely somebody that likes to kind of constantly switch up what I'm eating, what my diet is looking like. I'm the type of person, if I have like a spinach smoothie every single morning, I'll get sick of it and then I will never want one ever again. So I kind of like to switch things up. The one thing that really does not change is how I start my morning, and that is with 2 very big cups of water. I kind of like to have one ready by my bedside as soon as I wake up and just chug that. And then after I walk Cleo, I'll usually just have another big cup of water. Before putting anything in my body, I always start with water. Then something new I've been doing recently is skipping the coffee and instead having a cup of green tea. I feel so much better after having green tea versus coffee. I feel like I wake up with more energy naturally and I stay more focused throughout the day versus drinking coffee. So yeah, if you're looking for something to switch up your diet easily, I would totally recommend that. Also, green tea is cheaper than coffee, so you really can't go wrong. Next, if you guys watched my videos back in the spring, you would know that I was on like a green smoothie kick. I love green smoothies so much. Spinach, banana, all that stuff. I love starting my day off on that note. And when I posted those videos back in the spring, a lot of you guys asked me if I had ever tried green juice. You had recommended Organifi's green juice, and I actually started using that green juice about a month ago. I had it mailed to me when I was in Hawaii. You guys started recommending that I drink green juice. I started looking up recipes, and a lot of them required a ton of produce, like to have in advance, like, you know, a pound of freaking celery or in like a pound of kale and that kind of stuff, and that's just not really practical for a college student to always have that on hand. I feel like a lot of time it'll go bad if you don't end up using it. So then I looked up the top rated green juices on the market, and the one I ended up going with was Organifi. This stuff is so good, you guys. It's made such a difference in how much energy I have throughout the day, and what I like the most about it is you don't need any kind of juicer. I don't have a juicer at home. I don't really have storage for that. All it is just this little container, and what's even better is they don't really limit you on what you can add it to. You can add it to a regular smoothie, you can add it to a cup of milk, or just a glass of water like me. And even better, but this is gluten, soy, vegan, and dairy free, so you can pretty much drink it no matter what kind of diet you're on. As I said, my diet goes through phases, so sometimes I wake up and I feel like having a huge like bowl of fruit, full-on breakfast. Sometimes I wake up and all I want is just something to drink. So I don't drink this every single day necessarily, but I'll have this at least 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm gonna go ahead and start my day off today just with a big old glass of this. And before I make it, I did just want to mention you can get 15% off your order using the coupon code Season Beauty. So if you want to try this out, I would definitely recommend using a coupon code. I was like weary. I'm so weird about what like powders I use and protein powders and all that kind of stuff, but I am so happy with this one, and it actually was voted #1 best tasting green powder. So as you can see, this stuff is so easy to use. I'm just mixing a scoop into my water and I'm stirring it around with a spoon. And what's really cool is when you do the math, it's really cheap. It's only $2, or it's actually less than $2 a day. And I think that's a really good deal compared to like an $8 green juice you would buy at the store. And what's even better is if you're not satisfied, they do have a 60-day money-back guarantee. But honestly, you guys, to cover up the taste, I like to just use a little bit of lemon, and it just really tastes like a little bit of lemon juice and mint juice combined. I know some of you guys are probably like, ew, that looks so gross, but literally when you put the lemon in, that's pretty much all I can taste. So it just feels like I'm drinking a glass of lemonade first thing in the morning, but it also just feels really good starting your day off on such a healthy note and already getting all those vitamins in that you wouldn't otherwise. All right, so I just finished my green juice and I was craving something a little bit sweeter and kind of just bite-sized for breakfast today. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity for me to show you guys my favorite protein ball recipe. I got this online. I will just go ahead and leave it in the description below, but protein balls are so awesome. You can take these on the go, you can eat them at home, You can even like just put some in a bowl and add a little bit of milk, and it's honestly kind of like a mixture between, I don't know, like oatmeal and cereal. These are just awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip up some protein balls and just put them in a big container, and these will last me all throughout the week. And then I'm gonna have a few more just so that I kind of have a good breakfast. Right, so it is now lunchtime, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I've already prepped for today. So usually either at the beginning or midweek, I will just prep a couple salads for me to have within the next following days, so that I don't have to like prepare anything the day of, and I can just grab it and go. And I like to put it in these little to-go containers that just make them really easy to stick in my purse. But for today, I just have a like grilled chicken breast, some spinach, a few scoops of quinoa, and some carrots, and then I'll just put some lemon juice over this. And I'm eating this at home, but if I were to want to take it to campus or something, it would just be really easy to pop this in my backpack or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this for lunch now. It looks so good. All right, so I knew I was filming this what I eat video today, and I usually try to keep these videos pretty healthy, but you know what, it's a Friday, and I don't know, I'm just kind of craving carbs, and I feel like when you are craving something, you should listen to your body in moderation. So for Brady and his roommate tonight, I'm gonna be making pizzas, a little bit of tortellini, and then also, pro tip you guys, mix into your pasta zoodles, because you will not be able to tell the difference. And these have like way less carbs in them, obviously, and they're just a lot healthier than tortellini. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm making these. It's actually really, really easy. Bringing back all the memories from when my first job when I worked at a pizza place. All right, so aside from the pizzas, I'm also gonna make spinach tortellini. I've actually not tried this before, but it's from Trader Joe's. They have such good stuff. And I know not everyone has time to like, you know, pre-chop up fruits and vegetables and all that kind of stuff. So I do want to show you guys, like, I do eat processed food sometimes. Like, I know mostly I share fresh fruit and veggies, but, oh, hi. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make white pizza. It's really easy. So if you're using just regular dough, you're gonna wanna put some garlic powder, some oregano, a little bit of salt and pepper into onto the dough on top. But this is already garlic infused dough, so don't have to worry about doing that. But for your sauce, instead of red sauce, you're gonna use some olive oil. So I'm just going to pour that on top. And I work with my hands just because like at the restaurant that I grew up working at, that's what we do. So for me, it's just naturally like way easier. And you're gonna wanna put a good amount of oil on it. I know it seems like a lot, but it gets pretty much mostly absorbed when it's cooking. And then you're gonna wanna take your cheese. And once again, you're gonna wanna use a good amount of cheese. And what's pretty cool is this whole bag was able to make us 2 pizzas, so that's convenient. And then we're actually gonna make this into a pepperoni pizza. If you wanna do something other than pepperoni, sausage also goes really, really well on this. But yeah, so we're gonna have this for 3 people. So I'll do enough pepperonis on here for 3 slices. Here it is. So here's the zoodles, a little bit of tortellini. Here's the white pizza with some pepperoni, and then regular cheese pizza. This is quite a cheat meal, but honestly, you gotta do what you gotta do some days. I'm the type of person to always listen to my body. If I wanna cheat, then I cheat. But yeah, this is gonna be so good. Thank you, Brady. Yeah. Hi guys, so it is actually Monday evening, and I just wanted to go ahead and close this video off. I was just about to post it, and then I was like, wait, I never closed it. So I just wanted to thank each and every one of you for watching this. Let me know what you think of these types of videos. Tomorrow is actually the first day of class, so I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys tomorrow. So stay on the lookout on Wednesday for a first day of classes vlog. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and could just get some more insight on what my diet has been like lately. I will link all products below and everything I mentioned below, as well as that recipe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!